What if I told you that you can find any business's contact informations like email address, phone number, CEO name, even their recent social media post just by typing a simple sentence. No coding, no expensive tools, just Claude AI. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to scrape and collect business information from the internet just by using Claude Cowork. I mean any information like company names, emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles, the recent social activity, all of it. And the best part, you don't need to be technical to do these things. So let's get into it. So first thing first, we need two things to do this work. Number one is the Claude Cowork. This is the AI agent from Anthropic. Think of it like a very smart assistant that can go out to the internet and do the task for you automatically. The second tool is called Apify. Now Apify is basically the world's biggest collections of the web scrapers. There are almost right now 18,000 of web scraper out there inside the Apify, and a scraper is just like a tool, goes to the website and collects the information automatically for you. So the good news is Apify has a free plan that gives you $5 in free credits every month, and that's enough to get started today. So here's what makes this combination so powerful, that you don't need to pick which scraper you have to use. The Claude AI will automatically pick the scraper. You only have to tell what you really want, and the Claude AI will do the rest of the things. So right now let me show you how we have to connect these two tools together. So for that, at first you have to come to the Cowork inside the Claude AI, and after that you have to go here, then go to the customize sections, and then you have to just go to the connector sections, and then go to the plus and go with browse connectors, and here we have to search for Apify, and then click here and then install that inside your Claude. And after installing, it will ask for the API token for authentication so that it can connect with your Claude AI. So for that, you have to go to your Apify account, and here you have to just go to the setting option, and after that just go with API integrations, and here by default you will find an API token, but if you want to create another one, just go with create a new token, and here you can set an expiration date, and also you can limit the token permissions. So in this case I just go with like create one without like creating anything, and then I'll just kind of like copy this token, and after that I'll just go back to my Claude Cowork, and in this exact place I'll just paste that, and then I'll go with save, and then I'll just go with from disable to enable, and here I'll just kind of like go with configure. So right now as you can see that I have successfully added the Apify with the Claude AI, and this kind of tools I can use. You can see I can fetch actor details, search actors, call actor, search Apify docs, fetch Apify docs, and these kind of things I can do inside the Claude AI. So basically the Claude AI will do the rest of the things. I don't have to do that. In this case you can see for every tools by default it will be like needs approval, and if you want you can go with like always allow, so that like it will not bother you every time by asking do you want me to do that, or kind of like this thing. So now let's go and actually use this thing, and for that I'll go to the Cowork again, and here make sure that your Apify is enabled in here just by going to the connectors, and here you can see our Apify is enabled, and here we will just give a simple command like this: use Apify to find me 20 accounting firms in New York City with their name, phone number, website, and the email address. And after that, if I want, I can choose which model I want to use. In this case I'm using the Sonnet 4.6. if you think your work is complex, then you can choose the Opus 4.6. After that I'll just go with let's go, and right now it just took some minutes to do the whole task. It's saying it's preparing its session, and basically it will kind of like make a whole plan, and based on that it will choose which Apify actor it really need to choose. And in this case I know that it will use the Google Maps scraper to do this thing. So basically right now it will use this exact scraper which is called Google Maps scraper, and these things are very cheap. If I show you, it will cost you like $4 for 1,000 results, or like for 1,000 leads. Like again, very cheap, right? You can manually run these things in here, but in this case we are using Claude AI, so I need to. And again, if you want, you can see the results just going in the run option, and if you want to see which the results are, just by clicking that you can download that, just choosing format manually in your own device. Okay, let me just go to the Claude Cowork again. So now you can see that it actually done its work, and it actually took like 3 minutes to done the whole work. It said got it, let me try the Google Maps scraper for that, and here's the complete file. If I click here you can see that the spreadsheet. If I want I can download that directly just going with the Excel, and I can see these are firm names, these are phone numbers, there's the websites. All of the things are real. These are real data it took from the internet, and I requested for 20, so that's why there are 20 data, and if I want more, it will just add more in here. So basically you can understand that I don't need N8N or like make.com, this kind of automation platform to do these things. Claude Cowork, my simple prompt, and Apify, these three things are enough right now to make a complete lead generation system. And if I just show you, it took me, as I told you, 3 minutes, and it costed me only just 20 cents. So in that case, for every lead, it costed me like $0.01. Like how cheap it is. So now let's go deeper, and in this case, let's go with another task with this exact leads. Let's say something like, find me the CEO's name, addresses, and social media activity for each of this company. And now let's go with send. Now Claude will go back and it will start the work again from the zero. So it will again start with a new progress bar. As you can see, it started doing the work. It's kind of like thinking, and then it will add those informations with our existing informations. So you can see it's saying that I'll research all of these 20 firms in parallel to find CEOs, addresses, and social media. Let me run multiple researches at once. So in this case, it's saying researching CEO addresses and social media for all 20 firms. So that's the first progress. And after doing this, it will go to the second progress. In that case, it will update the spreadsheet with the new data. You can understand that if you actually use another tool for that, you have to actually go through like lots of logics. For example, like let me say something again with the N8N. If you actually do these things in the N8N, then you have to actually add a update row in a sheet, which will be responsible to actually add these exact informations. You have to actually just manually add those things one after another. But right now you can see Claude Cowork or Claude AI just doing these things everything by itself. So now it's saying that it actually done its work and has the updated file. And if I go with this file, here's the spreadsheet. So that's the firm name and that's the CEO's or the leader's name. You can see awesome. And also with the CEO's name, it actually putting the positions. For example, like for this one, he's the managing member, not the CEO. So it's kind of like adding this thing in here. Awesome. So basically for 20 company, for 20 like firms, it actually did the same thing. And there's the phone number, there's the address. If I kind of like go with the Excel sheet, you can see that there's all the information in here. There's a website, there's the email addresses. Some of the companies, it actually didn't find some informations. For the reason it's kind of like showing null. And here's the personal LinkedIn profile. If I want, I can go there and actually see their activities there. And here you can see these the Instagram accounts, and this is the Facebook accounts, by the way, of these companies. Awesome. So it just took only just 3 minutes, believe me. And let me just say something also, like right now, if I want, I can actually just reach out to them just by sending a simple email. So in the email, if I want, I can add, you know what, about the recent activity, about the social media, so that they can understand that I'm a genuine person. Like they will not just think about like I'm just a random guy, just get their email and just, you know, reaching to them. No, like they will think I'm actually a person, I'm following them for a long period of time in their social media platforms. So that's how I actually know about them, what they're doing in the social media platforms. So if I just, you know what, just add one simple line about the recent activity on the social media platform, it will literally make my cold reach like very different from other people. So that's the thing in here. And the cost literally just took me some minutes and some cents. That's it. Like I don't need to actually hire someone to actually do these things. I don't have to actually pay like a very large amount of money, even like $20 or like $50, kind of like a very small amount of money, kind of like this thing, to a tool to do that. But right now, Claude Cowork and the Apify is doing this thing for me, like how I want it in this exact way. Now let me give you one more example, which is very practical. If you want to make some money, or if you want to try to get some clients for your business by using this technique. So a very common business model right now is finding clients. They don't have any website, right? But they actually added their business in the Google Maps. So what you really have to do is like you have to find those businesses and then you have to reach out them. So in this case, I'll just come here and just type here, find me 10 dental clinic in Chicago that are on Google Maps, but they don't have any website. I'll go with send. So like the previous one, the Claude goes again to the internet, to the Google Maps, and by using the Apify, it will find out those exact dental clinic in the Chicago, and it will give me in a spreadsheet. And after that, I can reach out to them. I can sell a simple website. And by the way, if you don't have any coding skills, if you are thinking, you know what, again I have to actually need the coding skills to actually build a website kind of like this thing, literally you don't need that, because there are so many tools out there. Like you can use anti-gravity, you can use the Claude Code just by giving a simple prompt. And also instead of giving a prompt, you can use a technique where you have to actually give a website, your targeted website, you like that website, just copy the URL and then give that to the Claude Code or the anti-gravity, and then say that I want a similar website for a dental clinic or for a plumbing industry, and then it will just do that instantly for you. And if you want more easy access, then you can use the Google AI Studio. In that case, everything will be so much easier to use. You don't need to have to go with any kind of like technical issues. So the thing is, like, it is very easy to use and the competition is very low, so you should use these things as soon as possible. So it's saying that the Google Maps scraper pulled exactly what you really needed, and here's the spreadsheet, and here are all 10 clinics scraped live from the Google Maps without website filter applied. And I can see these are the 10 clinics and they don't have any website. They are from Chicago and they have this much ratings in here. So if I go and open this spreadsheet, here you can see these are the clinic name, these are the addresses, neighborhood, phone number, ratings. They have kind of like the revenues. If I just go with the Excel view, awesome. And here also, if you want, we can actually go to the Google Maps just to see the listing in here. Just kind of like go with this one. So you can see this is the one, like Stony Island Dental, and again they don't have any websites, kind of like this thing. So right now I can actually just pull my phone and I can just call them in their exact phone number, and I can actually say them, you know what, do you need a website, because I saw that you don't have any website, and what about like if I actually give the website completely for free, kind of like this thing. Because I actually build that just by giving a simple prompt inside the Google AI Studio or like Google Anti-Gravity, as I told you already, and they will literally, like 90% sure they will actually accept that offer. And after just, you know, building that website or just giving that website for free, I'll say that, you know what, if you need any kind of like AI related services, like voice agents or like AI assistant for your business, let me know. And after just, you know, taking the free thing from you, they will obviously come back to you if your website was like a good fit for them. And that's how like business really works. By the way guys, if you want to learn more about AI and if you want to make money with AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there you'll get premium level lessons and also ready-made resources related with n8n, make.com, Google's Anti-Gravity, Google AI Studio, or like related with videos, Claude Code, Claude Cowork. And not only this, inside there we'll do live session calls every week where you can join and ask me anything that related with AI. And also while building something or learning something, if you're stuck anywhere, you will get live tech support inside. So yeah, the link will be in the description. Join now. So as I told you, all of the things we just done without writing a single line of code, just a plain English as a prompt, as a command, and the Claude will do the rest of the things for you. And also if you want, you can automate the whole task. For that, you have to just come here, the schedule section, and then just go with new task. And here in the place of prompt, you have to actually give the command like what you want. In this case, if you want like every day or like every hour, like 20 leads, 500 leads, kind of like this thing, you can say that. And after that, in the place of frequency, you have to choose which time you want to go with. Like in the place of hourly, you can choose like hourly, it will run. If you want the like daily, in this exact time, it will run this exact command for yourself. So make sure that in that exact time, the Claude application is open in your desktop, otherwise it will not run. By the way, I made a detailed video on the scheduling task with the Claude Cowork, and I will add that video at the end of this video. So make sure if you want to automate your tasks, then watch that video. So that's the whole thing guys. I hope like this video was helpful to you. If yes, then please give a like, and also if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.